All right, guys, we made it. We're in World Cup. It's testing day. It'll be Wednesday, so we got parked yesterday. Today there's going to be tech that starts at 9 a.m., which we're already teching, and then testing starts at noon. So we want to get the car teched in. We want to get some testing passes done. I'd like to do an 8th mile pass. I just got to make sure everything's good. I want to make sure, you know, the car goes straight. That's the plan. We're going to be called for tech here in a little bit. So we're just getting everything tidied up for tech inspection, and then we'll be off. So really looking forward to it. Feels good to have the car out. Feel really blessed to have the car fixed and able to race again, because honestly, I didn't know that this was going to be a reality a couple weeks ago. So got my friends with me. Awesome day. Ready to get going.
He's pulling over and stopping right side 909 and 152 and left hand side. One stop right. Hold over.
Guys, this is picturesque. We've got the sun behind us. We just finished the car. We made our first pass. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Woo! 7:12:206. The plan was to let off at the 8th, but I clicked 4th, which is before the 8th, and it was just so straight and so perfect that we just stayed in it. So, I mean, it wasn't a big power pass, where we're not trying to go super fast with that, but it was just really smooth. So, first hit after the rebuild, dead straight down the track, 7:12:206. Woo! All right, we're looking at the stick shift class, qualifier number 1. All right. Heading into round one, sitting pretty good. We're number 8 qualifier. I think there was 42 cars that entered, 32 cars that qualify. We're number 8. We ran the first and second qualifier. Elected not to run the third just because it's so close to eliminations. I think we're sitting really good. That's our first test pass, 7:12. Then our next pass, this was Q1, 7:19. And then we've got our final pass. This was Q2. We let out of it, but 60 foot, everything looking really, really, really nice. The clutch tune-up is on point, ready to hit it hard in round one, and we're gonna make a 6-second pass.
Feeling good. Car seems ready to rock. Going over the basics. Some light maintenance, making sure everything's ready to do a new record. And
then fresh T case going in just because we just want a freshie in for eliminations. Not that there's anything wrong with the other one, but this new one is 0 passes on it. So we should be good to go with that. Should be much more reliable. So just checking out the scenery over here. And walk back to the staging lanes. All right. Sounds good.
Alright guys, here we go. Devin Schultz, red team and pulled up the line. You're going to show Harley in the lanes. Let's see the pass right now.
What do you got, Devin?
I don't know what this thing is. It looks like a leaf. Leaf bug, maybe? He's got a beard. He's been stroking his beard while looking at me.
Good luck charm?
I think so.
What's his name?
Andrew?
I don't know. Let's go with Bob.
Lucky the Leaf.
Bobby Leafbug.
AKA Bob. Trying to get him to hop on Demon, but he's not about it. He's side-eyeing me now. I think he wants to get out of here.
Return him to
What do you think? Put him in the car for a pass? You want to go for a rip?
You want to feel some G-force?
Nah.
Guys, like unplug the.
All right, so not quite the ending we were hoping for, but we never got eliminated, I guess. So I guess we won. There were 8 drivers left. You know, you can't do anything about it. The team, the car, everything performed flawlessly. I think it was a huge accomplishment for us to wreck the car at shootout, fix the car in a month and get it here and run perfectly in front of the fans and put down a 6-second pass. And I'm just grateful to have a race car in the trailer that drove up in there and a team with me that stuck through me to the end. And, you know, it is what it is. I wish I could have come home with the cup, but couldn't have done anything any better. So I'm happy with it. The guys did great, and I can't wait to get home. So we're out of here. See you guys back at the shop.